Stock Journal Review, How to Use Stonk Journal. Now, Stonk Journal is a portfolio tracking and journaling app designed for stock, crypto, and investment enthusiasts. It combines features like trade journaling, performance analysis, market sentiment tools to help users become more reflected and disciplined traders. Now, with the key features of being a record detailed notes about your trades, with charts and visuals, a sentiment tracker, asset tracker with templates that can quickly fill in preset journal forms for consistent tracking. So, of course, if you want to go ahead and use Stock Journal over here, first step is to create your account. Again, download the app, but you can also do it here in the browser, in your preferred browser, and press on Get Started. You can sign up with email or use third-party options. But anyways, once you've pretty much finished signing up, you can set up your portfolio. You can add your assets manually or input from trading platforms and assign starting values or cost basis for tracking accuracy. You can see your personal info, you can change your name, you can look at your tag management, your account settings, password and security directly once you sign up. But mainly, once you finish up pretty much everything on logging and signing up, you can finally log a trade. You can tap on the new trade over here or new entry depending on you, and once you do so, you can input a ticker symbol, buy and sell details, entry and exit prices, time and date, note to end strategy or setup, or your emotional state as well, depending on if you do want to, if you have it in your journal. So even a confidence level for some reason. But anyways, in your general, you can go ahead and put in your details, and then you can finally save once you have finished putting in everything. So just put in a random example over here, a symbol, and then journal if you want to, and then more information or notes. Let's just say and a confidence of 10. So just go ahead and press on save, and you should be able to see your new trade. You can review and reflect in this app and customize your journal whenever you want. But anyways, that's pretty much the basics of Stonk Journal. Being able to add whatever new trade you have, setups and notes. But if this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.